How to change your mailing address online in US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your mailing address with US Bank, well in this video I will show you how to change it online using your laptop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and after that, simply search for US Bank. And now here, on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, you can just click on the login button at the top right corner and after that, just enter your personal ID and password to sign in to your online banking dashboard. And here, once you're logged in, just click on the customer service tab at the top. And after that, under the customer service, you can select my profile, and this is where you manage your personal information like your mailing address, phone number, and email. And now here, if you scroll down to the contact information, you just need to click on edit next to your mailing address and make your changes. And after that, you can just click save. And after that, you may see a confirmation message or receive an email once your address update is processed. And that's it. That's how you can change your mailing address online with US Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.